Are you interested in growing your own apples? Imagine biting into a crisp, juicy apple from your backyard. It's easier than you think. Growing apples can be rewarding. They are delicious, nutritious, and versatile. Plus, they thrive in many climates. Today, we'll cover the essentials of apple cultivation. Let's dig in. First, choose the right apple variety for your area. There are hundreds of varieties. You might prefer sweet apples like Fuji or tart ones like Granny Smith. Research the best options for your climate and soil. Next, select a suitable planting site. Apple trees need full sunlight. Aim for a location with at least 6 hours of sun daily. Ensure the soil drains well. Avoid areas prone to standing water. Now it's time to plant your apple trees. Plant in early spring or fall. Dig a hole twice the size of the root ball. Place the tree in the hole, making sure it's straight. Fill in the soil and water it well. Care is crucial after planting. Mulch around the base helps retain moisture. Regular watering is essential, especially in dry periods. Fertilize when the tree starts to grow to encourage healthy development. Pruning your apple tree is important. Remove dead or damaged branches. This promotes better airflow and sunlight reach. Aim to shape the tree for easier harvesting. Let's talk about pests and diseases. Monitor your trees regularly. Common pests include aphids and apple maggots. Use organic pesticides if needed. Always read instructions carefully. Harvesting is the most exciting part. Apples are usually ready in late summer or fall. Signs of ripeness include a firm texture and vibrant color. Twist the apple gently to remove it from the tree. Let's review. Choose the right variety and plant correctly. Care for your tree with water and mulch. Prune and protect against pests. Finally, enjoy the fruits of your labor. Ready to start your apple growing journey? Grab your seeds or saplings today. Make your backyard an apple paradise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your growing experience with us.